Okay, so in the previous class, we learned about the mathematical function. Three functions we are learning. First is the round. Whenever you want to do the sum of the anything in the fraction number, like if you want to take after a point such number, then you have to use the round function. Then second, we learned about the LCM that you learn in the mathematics also. That is a least common multiple. And the last is GCD, that is for the greatest common divisor. This three mathematical function we are learning in the CALC. Now it's time for the next function, that is the text function. What do you mean by the text? Text का मतलब क्या होता है? From your side, what is the meaning of text? Text का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, Rishi.
मैम बाय मिस्टेक हो गया
मैम
Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of text?
मैम can I
Text
tell?
का मतलब, yes.
Ma'am, text means word.
Or letters. Whenever you are writing the sentence in a computer language, it's called the text. So now we are learning the function that is depend on the text. CALC में आपने देखा कि mathematical functions का आप use करते हो. You have to do operation on the mathematical on the number. Now you have to do the such of the mathematical operation, but on the text. आपको पता है ये text है, उसके regarding भी कुछ functions होंगे. One is the function is like a mathematical count the number. Our first function in the text is the length. Full form of length is length. Length word से ही आपको पता होना चाहिए कि meaning क्या होगा, ये क्या करेगा. जब भी आप कोई फंक्शन देख रहे हो तो उसके वर्ड से ही पता करो कि ये फंक्शन किसके लिए यूज होगा. थिंक बाय योरसेल्फ. आप खुद से सोचोगे तो आपको इजी हो जाएगा कि ये फंक्शन किसके लिए यूज होता है, क्यों यूज होता है. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज द लेंथ. लेंथ मींस द लेंथ. So it will be count the number of character in the string. Whenever you are writing some of the text, string means a sentence or the name or such type of text or letters. So string, it will be calculate the number of character. Character means one alphabet. एक एक अल्फाबेट को काउंट करेगा और पूरे कितने अल्फाबेट्स आपने लिखे हैं सबकी लेंथ आपको काउंट करके देगा. यहाँ पे आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है. सिंपली आपको सिंटेक्स में कुछ नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ इक्वल्स टू LEN ब्रैकेट में सेलेक्ट, या फिर आप पूरा सेंटेंस लिख सकते हो, पूरा नेम भी लिख सकते हो, तो आपको आउटपुट मिल जाएगा. लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल फॉर दैट. वी आर डूइंग अ प्रैक्टिकल. फर्स्ट फंक्शन वी आर लर्न द लेंथ. So here I am writing the length. Output, what will be the output of the length? I am writing here a one sentence, hello. मैंने सिंपल सा लिखा hello. ये छोटा सा वर्ड है तो आपने तो काउंट भी कर लिया होगा कि इसकी लेंथ कितनी है. I am putting here the formula now equals to 5. आपको पता है तो आउटपुट वही मिलना चाहिए. Equals to len. What is the cell address of the hello string?
A3.
A3
A3. Sorry. And tab. आ गया 5. Is it a right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अभी
Yes,
मैं लिख रही हूँ hello world. Hello world. increase the length of the A column. Now I'm putting here the len formula equals to len, len. In a bracket, what is the cell address of hello world? A5.
A5.
Yes. अगर आपको यहाँ पे A5 नहीं लिखना या फिर सेल एड्रेस नहीं लिखना, आप डायरेक्टली सेंटेंस भी लिख सकते हो, आपको आउटपुट मिल जाएगा. आई एम पुटिंग अ टेक. इज इट अ राइट आंसर?
Yes.
ma'am.
हाउ?
मैम स्पेस को भी
No, ma'am, it's wrong.
Ma'am, it is
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
उसमें space को गिना है, इसीलिए right.
Yes. Whenever you are writing the one string, जब आप स्पेस करके पूरा सेंटेंस लिखोगे ना, तो वो स्पेस को भी काउंट करके आपको आउटपुट देगा, क्योंकि वो पूरा एक स्ट्रिंग है, एक कॉलम में आपने पूरा उसको लिखा हुआ है. Whenever you counting on the character, there are only 10 character, but whenever you count with the space, it's a 11. I'm writing the one more example, that is the Kodar International School. Don't be animated on the screen. You are the new students, so I have to be telling you. Okay. Now equals to len in a bracket. Cell address of Kodar International School is A7. Pressing the
A7.
tab, so output is 26 with the space. Whenever you have
Ma'am, ये right है. Right है.
right, very good, very good, very good. So answer is right. First our
Ma'am, ये तो right
text,
होगा.
first our text function is the len, that is used to count the character, number of character given in the string. अब कितना भी बड़ा सेंटेंस लिखोगे, पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखोगे, तो उसका आउटपुट आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. One more request from my side, please, if you have a computer or the laptop, do the practice for the OpenOffice CLC. क्योंकि उसके फंक्शन क्या होते हैं, कभी कभार मिस हो जाते हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं इसका यूज कैसे करना था, किस तरह से करना था और क्यों करना था. So I request to the students, if you have a computer or the laptop, do the practice of OpenOffice CLC functions. Now, next two functions we have to learn. First is the upper. What is the meaning of upper?
Uppercase.
Capital
Yes, it will
letter.
convert
Uppercase.
all the letters in the uppercase. And what is the meaning of lower? It converts all the text in the lower case. जो भी आप लिखोगे, बीच में आपने अपर केस, लोअर, अपर लोअर इस तरह से लिखा होगा, तो वो सबको अपर केस में कन्वर्ट कर देगा whenever you are using the upper function, and whenever you are using the lower function, it will be convert all the text in the lower. One more thing I want to tell you, whenever I write like this, any function name, and after that, if there is a bracket is given to you, you have to be speak like a function. आपको ऐसे ही बोलना है upper function. Meaning of bracket is function. Meaning of bracket is function. So let's see the example of this one. I'm here writing the upper. We are checking for that upper function. Now, firstly, I'm doing a practical on this one only, A3. Hello जो लिखा हुआ है उस पे ही मैं प्रैक्टिकल कर रही हूँ. आप देख रहे हो कि फर्स्ट लेटर है वो कैपिटल है, बाकी के सारे जो है वो स्मॉल है. आई एम गोइंग टू द फंक्शन विजार्ड. Now, जैसे हम मैथमेटिकल चूज करते थे, you have to choose now a text. Now, you can see here the upper. You have to here write the text or cell address, like I'm writing here A3. So you can see your result also. आपको यहाँ पे result भी दिख रहा होगा. I'm pressing the OK and you will be see the output here. I am writing here all the words small. And in between, I am writing here a capital word. But in between, you can see some of the word, some of the character are small and some of the character are the capital. Now I am using here the upper function. आप directly भी लिख सकते हो equals to upper A3 इस तरह से. I am writing here equals to, otherwise you will be directly write down the name of string. जैसे आप hello word मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है तो ब्रैकेट में डबल कोट करके डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हो. Equals to upper in a bracket, it's a A5. Okay. You can see the output here. Whatever you are writing, it will be convert all the characters in the capital. Same process I am doing here for this A7 equals to upper. If you don't want to write, you will be go to the function wizard and choose your function equals to upper A7. It will be converted. Same thing I want to do for the lower. Lower means it will be convert all the case on the lower case. And here change something. It's a capital, I will be do the between the capital thing. So now I will be use here now a lower function. You have to be go to the function wizard, go to the text category, choose the lower, go to the next. Here you can directly write down the formula. Now, what should you have to write? You have to write here the cell address A3. You can see here the output also. Now, second equals to lower in a bracket. It's a A5. You can see the output also here. And last equals to lower A7. You can see the output clearly for all the functions. Len के लिए सबका output लिया upper के लिए and lower, for lower also we are taking. Okay. Everyone will be understood about these three functions, len, upper and lower. Anyone have a query regarding these three functions?
No, ma'am.
So we will be
No,
go ahead
ma'am.
with the next function. That is, first we learn the mathematical function. Second, we learn the text function. Now it's time for the date and time. Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of date and time? Date time का मतलब क्या होता है? चलो, tell me the
मैम
today's
डेट
date.
का मतलब तारीख
तारीख हम बोलते हैं.
15 जून
Today is the
15
15
June
June.
2021.
Yes, it's a 15 June 2021.
2021. This is
And
the
what is
date
the time
and
right now?
11:28.
11:28. Very good. All the things you can see here. Okay. Okay, now everyone knows about the meaning of the date and time. So regarding that, we are learning some of the function. Our first function is the date. What is the use of the date function? It displays the enter day, month, and year in the format of month, date, year. Whenever you are enter the any year, month, day, it will be written, the output will be like in form of first will be month, then slash date slash year. कोई भी आप डेट लिखोगे, ईयर लिखोगे, मंथ लिखोगे, उसका आउटपुट आपको इसी फॉर्मेट में मिलेगा. So let's check. So first function is the date. Date function. ओके यहाँ पे मैं एग्जांपल आपको डेट फंक्शन में क्या करना है. सिंपली आपको फंक्शन विजार्ड का यूज करना हो तो कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू विल बी डायरेक्टली राइट इट डाउन. You will be go to the function wizard, choose the function of date and time, then choose the date, go to the next, and it will be here. यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन दिए हुए year. I am entering the year any 2000. आप कोई भी year enter कर सकते हो. Month, 5, day means a date you have to write here. That is a 15. 15, date, month, 5 and year is 2000. आपको रिजल्ट यहाँ पे क्लियर दिख रहा है. That is written the 5, 15 and 00. Why here is written 00? Because it will always take the last 2 digits of year. I am changing the date so you will be see the output clearly. I will be entered. It's a 21. So you can see the output 5, 15 and 21. आपको confusing ना हो इसलिए मैंने 2000 निकाल के 2021 लिखा हुआ है. So 5, 15 and 21. First will be always a month, second is a date and third is year. ये एग्जाम में आपको पूछ सकते हैं कि इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा, तो आपको फॉर्मेट याद रखना पड़ेगा. मंथ, डेट, ईयर. डोंट बी फॉरगेट द फॉर्मेट क्योंकि एग्जाम में ये एमसीक्यू में पूछ सकते हैं कि इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा. Is it audible now?
No, ma'am, it's lagging.
Yes, ma'am, it's lagging.
Okay. Maybe that
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
a network issue for
Not audible.
Okay, try
Ma'am,
to
many
listen.
students are mic on, so your voice is not audible.
What happened? So I'm going to continue. Okay, so what is the date function used? You have to remember always the format. अगर आप नहीं लिखना चाहते हो यहाँ पे मतलब function wizard में, if you don't want to go to the function wizard, you will be directly write down the function. For example, I am writing here equals to date in a bracket. You have to first, आपको नीचे फॉर्मेट दिख रहा है, फर्स्ट आपको क्या लिखना है, सेकंड क्या लिखना है, थर्ड अब क्या लिखना है. First you have to write the year, that is for example I am writing here 1996. Then semicolon, don't be do the comma or the colon, you have to be use the semicolon. Then month, I am writing here 7 semicolon, day 31. and tab. You can see the output here. 7 is the month, 31 is the date, and the 96 is the year. Now, second function of the date and time is the time. First date tha, second is the time. What is the use of the time? It to convert the entire hours, minutes, and second in the 24-hour format. आप जो भी enter करोगे उसके 24 hour में convert कैसे करेगा? With use of the AM and PM. Whenever you are enter your hour, depending on the hour, it will be display the AM and PM. अगर आप 1 to 12 में enter करते हो, it will be display the AM at the last of the time, and whenever you are enter between 13 to 24 in the hour, it will be display the PM. As per the rule, जो हमारा rule है, according to that, it will be displayed the output. Now, I will be show the practical of time.
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही। यस मैम।
I'm doing the second. Okay, this way. Okay, now. Is it audible now? Am I audible now? Am I audible now?
ये श्रुत क्या कर रहा है?
Maybe that will be on my side network issue. I'm asking to you. Again, I'm going to share the screen. We are learning the second function of date and time. Okay. So you have to be enter the hour, minute, and the seconds. You have, for example, I'm using the function wizard. Go to the date and time. Select the function time. Go to the next. And write here the hour, minute, and second. I am writing the hour here 9, minute is 15, and second is 32. So regarding that, it will be display the output of time 9, 15, 32 a.m. Because I enter the hour between the 1 to 12, so it will be display the output as a.m. Second, I am taking the example equals to time in a bracket. First, you have to write down the hour, and I write the hour 18 semicolon, minute is 35 semicolon, and the second is the 41, and pressing the tab. So it will be display the PM because मैंने यहाँ पे जो है वो टाइम में 18 एंटर किया था. Whenever you enter the time between 13 to 24, it will be display the PM at the end of the time. So two ways to entering the time, same function wizard. If you want to use the function wizard, you will be. Otherwise, you will be type by yourself the function. One, two. Last function of date and time, that is a today. What is the meaning of today? Any student? What is
Recent day.
day? Current day. It will, whenever you are writing the today function, it will be show the current date. वो आपको directly current date दिखा देगा in a format of month, day, year. Don't be forget. जब हम date function सीख रहे थे, it will be MMDTYY. Format is that, but whenever you are using the today function, it is in form of MMDTYYY. Means 4 times Y भी that full year आपको दिखेगा. फंक्शन का यूज कर रहे हो तो वो आज की करंट डेट ही दिखाएगा। जैसे कि मैंने अपने पीसी में जो डेट सेट की होगी बाय मिस्टेक, गलती से अगर मैंने गलत डेट सेट की हुई है तो वो गलत डेट ही डिस्प्ले करेगा, राइट? Whatever date you save in your laptop or PC, it will be show that one, because for the CANC that is a current date. CANC के लिए वही current date रहेगा. So let's see the output of today. You don't have to do anything. You have to just go to the function wizard, choose the date and time, found the today. You can see here. It will be go to the next and it will show the output. It's a 6/5/15/21. तो आज की करंट डेट है 15 जून। अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं लिखना, you have to type your function equals to today.
मैम बट 5 की जगह 15 कहाँ से आया?
हाँ? 5 की
5 की
जगह
जगह 15 कैसे आया?
15 डेट है आज। फर्स्ट आपका मंथ डिस्प्ले होगा, सेकंड आपका डेट डिस्प्ले होगा और लास्ट आपका ईयर डिस्प्ले होगा।
ओके मैम।
You can see that both output are same. अगर आप function wizard से choose कर रहे हो, you can, otherwise you can type by yourself. So these are the date and time function. Upper are the text functions. So anyone have a query regarding the text functions or the date and time function, they will be asked me. I'm
No,
writing
ma'am.
here the date and time functions. If any students want to take this snap, there will be. This is the date and time function example. Sorry. This is the date and time function. Here is the text function. Now I'm going to save, raise the control S. So it will be displayed. Choose your folder where you want to save it. It's a practical 2 on the date of 15th June. I save with my name and save it, right? Practical is saved now. Okay, so now nobody have a query?